model, 2020 Iveco Daily 35S16 valve 2.3 HDI Xlwb 12 months MOT fridge van Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 147,755. MOT, the 16th of September 2026. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL411GC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights in the dash. Starts and drives brilliantly fresh. 12 months MOT. Unfortunately the fridge unit doesn't seem to work. We haven't gone into too much detail to diagnose, repair, check the fuses and they look good. Either fix the fridge or use it